Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Runa, and today is a really fun day because I am going to be introducing you guys. So it's going to be a first impression and me trying on a new brand called Mented Cosmetics. This is a brand that is super brown girl friendly. If you guys were interested in the whole brown girl friendly movement that's been going on the internet. If you guys want to know more about Mented Cosmetics and you want to know how I achieve or whatever look I'm going to be creating right now, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click on the red button that says subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on notifications. That's the bell button. The item today that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is the Mented Everyday Eyeshadow Palette. It's basically a nude palette, which is beautiful. I love how huge and big these palettes are. I love how rich these nude colors are, and I really feel like this palette is basically created for your brown girl in mind. I feel like all these shadows are gonna look really good on me, so I am just so excited to try them. Okay guys, so for today's makeup look, I'm gonna be a tad bit extra. So you're gonna go ahead, so they do give you a sheet that tells you all of the colors that are in the palette, and they're labeled like so. I would have preferred if the names were on the bottom. I know this is a very basic thing that needs to be done, so that's my big pet peeve with a palette, is I want the names on the bottom, but it's okay. They are a new indie brand, so cut them some slack, you guys. So we're just gonna go ahead and go into this palette, and I'm just gonna tell you guys if it's pigmented or not, does it show up on my brown skin, and we're gonna go from there. So the first color I'm gonna go in with is this color called Light Bright, which is this color right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take that color and I'm going to pop it in to my crease. Oh my gosh, you guys, right away, look at that pigment. So the pricing and everything for these products will all be linked down below. Just gonna go ahead and blend it out. I think your girl is gonna be doing a halo eye today. I'm gonna hook you guys up with this really pretty halo eye look. Ooh, that is so pigmented and so beautiful. I'm just going to switch out the brush really quick because that Kylie brush was not working out for your girl. What I like about this color on my eyes right now is it is so complimenting. Like, it's not ashy. Usually when I deal with browns, I have to be careful with what browns I put on my eyes because they tend to become really ashy. Ooh, but not with this though. No problems. Feeling real fleeky. The blendability is amazing. Don't think the brand has a foundation yet. I know Mented Cosmetics has eyeshadows, they have highlighters, and they have lipstick. Their brand was created, I did a little research on their brand, so created the brand, and they just went ahead and were sitting down one night and they were talking about how they could never find the perfect nude for their skin tones. And when I read their story, I was just so connected to them because I can never find the perfect nude either. And it's such a challenge. And honestly, I've found many good nudes in their brand because all of their colors are just so complimenting to the brown skin tone. I wanted to do halo eyes. So for the halo eye, I'm going to go in with this color right here. And I think this is Brown Out. This is a pretty color. It's gorgeous. I'm going to take Brown Out and I'm going to focus it on my outer corners and my inner corners. This is the test, the real test. Oh, you guys. Pigment. I just hope it doesn't get like all weird and patchy after a while. You know how that happens. So let's test this. All pricing and all those extra details will all be down below. I'll put it all down below for you guys. But wow, look at how pretty that is. Look at that pigment. It's a really good product. I'm like so shocked on how pigmented it really is. So I'm now gonna take that same color and take it on the inner corners. And I'm just going to, you know, give it some depth in there. I love how these shadows are just bringing my eyes out so good. Like the color of my eyes are looking good, and I have brown eyes, so for brown shadow to make my brown eyes look good, it's quite impressive. I'm loving this brown out color because it's not ashy at all. Usually a lot of brown colors come out really ashy on me, and it like almost looks like really muddy on me, but no, This one is not looking muddy, my friend. So I went ahead and did the eye look with this Everyday palette by Mented. I actually really like this palette. The pigmentation is on point, but the only thing is I don't like, it's a lot of fallout coming out of this palette, but the pigmentation is worth it. So even if there's fallout coming out, the pigmentation is really good, and it's not like digging into the product anyways, but I know a lot of you guys like to know about fallout. The palette does have quite a bit of fallout, but Mented Cosmetics does not have foundation, so they have some glow products, and they also have some lip products that I'm gonna go ahead and check out and review as well. Let me just go put on my foundation and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and I did my whole foundation. I'm back to complete the Mented you know, video. So I'm gonna go ahead and try their glow. So it's the Mented Glow, and they said it's Mented Glow for grown-ups. I don't know what exactly that means, but I guess it basically means that it's not gonna be that crazy glow, but you guys know my style is crazy glows. So when they say glow up for grown-ups, they're probably just saying that you don't want to glow like crazy. I guess a lot of people say that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my hands. Look at that, that's gorgeous. And then I'm gonna mix it for you guys so you could see what it's about. Oh, it has a very moussey texture. That is so pretty though. It's very moussey, and it has a lot of pigment still. Look at that, that's really nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dollop a bunch on my hand, and I'm gonna warm it up on my back of my hand. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to basically just kind of apply it on all of my glowy desired areas. So it's right there. I would probably wear this before I put on my foundation, because I would love this as an undertone for a lot of my foundations. And then they have like a little bit of a rosy gold one, which is called Glow Up. So the first one that I put on was Glow Out, and this is a Glow Up. So I'm gonna try this one. It has more of a rosy gold, and I'm gonna put that right there. Me personally, I like a stronger glow, but this is a great subtle glow for anybody who's really into that subtle glow. So I'm gonna go in and contour my skin really quick, bronze it up. And also Mented came out with a bunch of lip glosses that I wanted to try out. So I want to wear a nude gloss. So I never can master the nude gloss, ever. So I'm going to basically check out which gloss looks good on me. Ooh, but this Bury Me gloss though, this is fire. I'm interested in trying that. And then there's a Mauve Over Me gloss. Oh, this is pretty. I probably will do Mauve Over Me because I really love mauves, but I always wear mauves. And then this is Send Nudes. Whoa, why is that stunning? Okay. And then what about this one? This one is Baby Brown. Ooh, that's really pretty too. Okay, these glosses are stunning. And I don't wear gloss, but... Ooh, and this is About Me Pink. I think it's Send Nudes and About Me Pink. Let's see. This is Send Nudes. That one's really pretty. And then this is About Me Pink, which I find gorgeous. Ooh. About Me Pink is really pretty, but I think Send Nudes will look better with this look. This gloss smells so good, and it glides on so good. It reminds me of the Lip Smackers. Oh my god, I haven't worn a gloss in forever, and this looks so good on me. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pop on some lashes, and then let's go ahead and talk about the looks. Okay guys, so this is the finished look of the Mented Cosmetics. The eyes are absolutely stunning now that I've finished the whole face. Obviously, it looked kind of crazy in the beginning because I was using a very bold eye and I have like no makeup on. Foundation basically complements a bold eye. It just looks all good in a full face. This Mented cosmetic palette. This Mented cosmetic palette is pretty good. It's pretty amazing, you guys. I was so hyped by it. I can't wait to go ahead and take this palette, and I'm going to create 3 different separate looks with this palette. Look for it during this month. I'll have it either uploaded at the end of the month or sometime around this month. I'm going to upload 3 looks created by the Everyday Palette. Or should I just do 5 looks with this? Like, because they call it the Everyday Palette. And how many looks can you actually get out of this? So we'll have to see. And then I also told you guys about their Mented Glow Up for grown-ups. I told you guys this was great and I actually recommend it, and I think you should use it if you're not into a super hardcore highlight. Then this product is really good for you. But if you want a really stunning highlight, you could definitely use this palette and do a lot of things with this palette. I can contour with this palette. I could probably bronze with this palette. I could do a lot of things with this palette. So if you complement this, if you just get this palette from Mented, that will be enough for you for your everyday makeup look. So I'll definitely try this one out, do a bunch of looks with that for you guys. And then I also went ahead and swatched some of their lip glosses. Right now on my face, on my lips, I have Send Nudes. That looks so pretty. Let me just go ahead and reapply real quick. I just love it. It's such a subtle, beautiful look. And it's not tacky. I don't know if you guys have that issue. I usually don't wear glosses because I have long hair, and whenever I go like this, gloss remains. But do you see how it just easily goes away? Like, you don't even have that like hair getting attached to your lips type of thing going on at all. So I like these as well. Guys, that was my first impressions of Mented Cosmetics. I was actually really impressed. The first time I ever saw them with any influencer was with Jackie Aina, and you know, you guys, I'm a big fan of her, so I was really excited that they reached out to me and they wanted me to try out their products. But you guys always know my reviews are always honest, no matter how the product is sent to me or given to me or whatever. It's not sponsored, but opinions are always 100. I do not shame away from giving an honest opinion. Also, go ahead and comment down below if you want me to do more looks with the Everyday Eyeshadow Palette by Mented Cosmetics. I could maybe do 5 looks out of this, but let me know if you want me to make a video like that. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications for this video so you guys can keep up with more of my videos. I just wanted to give out a big shout out to Happy Hearts. She has been always commenting and showing me tons of love on all of my social channels, so she is amazing. Mwah, mwah. Thank you. Just go ahead and keep on commenting so you could be featured on my channel just like Happy Hearts just did, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.